Hello, welcome to the technical analysis of Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing is at an inflection zone. It is important to watch the key levels today. The stock is gained by 3.5%, and the 30-day trend points to a downtrend. Prices below the 9 and 50-day EMAs, but still above the 200-day EMA. The long-term floor holds, while short and medium-term pressure persists. There is a downward gap between $27.41 and $28.05 that remains unfilled. A move to close this gap would mean about a 9.8% rise from here. A bearish bat harmonic pattern is active with the completion D point near 24.69. Price is tracking an initial support area near 44.27, already tested, and a deeper support zone near 56.34, already tested. This setup is very recent and still in its first reaction. A rising trend line still acts as support near 11.78. Midterm resistance is clustered near $26.21. Between the midterm and long-term objectives, an extra resistance band appears near $34.71. After reaching the measured objective and its extensions, price is now in a corrective pullback. If buyers defend this retracement area, the potential recovery path is $35.98, long-term target. Then $44.98, 1.618 extension. Then $59.54, 2.618 extension. The long-term roadmap is in a build phase, with 3 of 4 confirmations in place: downtrend break, prior high cleared, and EMA 50 reclaimed, volume above 120% of the 20-day average still pending. Based on the prior impulse, a reasonable completion window is about 44 to 82 sessions, or roughly 12.6 weeks. Invalidation sits near $23.37 on a decisive daily close below that level. Momentum is fading. MACD and RSI are both signaling weakness. In a similar MACD cycle between November 22nd and January 08, the price saw an increase of around 477.0%. From a long-term perspective, price remains inside the broader trend channel on the longer-term view. Zooming into the latest short-term trading channel, price has recently slipped below its short-term channel, which points to weakness in the near term. Adding a Fibonacci roadmap on top of this structure, the price is trading below the 78%, 30.81 Fibonacci retracement level, with the 61% retracement near 36.66 below. The upcoming Fibonacci extension targets are around 67.61, Fib 1.27, and then 79.64, Fib 1.62. Looking at Rigetti Computing today, the market is giving us a neutral read overall. The recent price action has been forming a structure that many traders are watching closely. From a trend perspective, the price is currently below several key moving averages, and this positioning helps set the tone for the broader direction. Momentum indicators add another layer to the picture. RSI is hovering around 35.5, while MACD is below its signal line, which hints at cooling pressure in the current swing. In terms of activity, volume is close to its 20-day average, and volatility, measured by ATR, is holding relatively steady. Together, these shape the energy behind the next potential move. The main level to keep on the radar is around $26.21. If price manages to close above $26.21 and MACD confirms the move, this could unlock a continuation type setup. On the defensive side, the key invalidation area is near $23.37, where this setup would start to lose its reliability. After reaching the measured objective, price is in a pullback phase and working through a retracement area. If buyers manage to defend the retracement zone, an upside path to monitor is $35.98. Long-term target, $44.98, 1.618 extension. $59.54, 2.618 extension. On the map ahead, we are tracking the next resistance around $25.90, support near $24.75, a midterm target around $26.21. Overall, the structure is becoming clearer, and the coming sessions are likely to decide whether this setup develops into a continuation move or slips into a deeper pullback. Here are the latest updates for Rigetti Computing. The most recent headline is Why RGTI stock remains on watch lists, earnings growth report, and reliable volume spike trade alerts. Why RGTI stock remains on watch lists, share buyback, and consistent return strategy ideas. News are calm, 10 hours ago. That wraps up this technical analysis on Rigetti Computing. If you found it helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel so you do not miss future updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.